Tagasar table is a unique mixture of food every household sets up. Tagasar serving begins with Tagalog, a dish of curd rice with raisin. The most important ingredient of the Tagalog is the traditional dairy product curd, in which other ingredients such as clotted cream, yellow butter, milk, flour, sugar and salt are added. Since the name of the festival itself indicates a white moon or month, traditional dairy products have symbolic representation in the festival to whiten and purify what's dark. Being made of numerous granules, curd symbolizes multiplication. One important attribute of the Tagasar table is called ide, a set of traditional soul cakes stacked on odd number of layers upwards. A single layer consists of 4 soul cakes, making the ide four-sided, thus symbolizing the 4 main directions. Mongolians' philosophy on odd digits is behind the odd number of layers, exemplifying a circle of life that starts with and ends in happiness. The number of layers depends on the social states and age of man. For instance, state leaders Ide have 9 layers and elders set up 7 layers of soul cakes. Moreover, middle-aged households set up 5 layers and young families 3. Traditionally, clotted cream is placed upon the stacked soul cakes to be decorated with a variety of dairy products. The fully decorated ide resembles a mandala.